Hello guys, hello everyone. Guys, how are you all doing, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, you guys. Nice to have you back on my YouTube channel. So today, guys, I'm making this delicious and yummy jollof rice. As you guys can see, I have some of my turkey wings in my pot. So here are the spices that I'm going to add into that turkey wings, you guys. So yeah, I said, let me show you guys how I cook this yummy jollof rice. It was so yummy and colorful, you guys. So yeah, you guys know this my spicy storage, right? I made a video of it the time I bought that spicy storage, which is so handy. It's so portable. You can put it anywhere. Yeah, so you guys, in here I have my turkey wings. I just add some curry, thyme and oregano. I'm going to add garlic to it, you guys. This is garlic powder that I'm going to add into the pot. You guys, I don't really love cooking with garlic. It's not that garlic is not good for the body. The thing is that because of the smell, I don't like garlic like that. I don't like it. So when I want to use it, I use a little quantity of garlic. May not be like say I not just the use at all. So yeah, as you guys can see, I just add a little garlic into the pot. Garlic is good, but the thing is that the smell is what I don't like. If I'm talking to somebody who eats food that is made with garlic, I don't really like the smell that is coming out. That is why I don't use it. I also believe that when I eat it and I'm talking to somebody that does not eat food with garlic, it will be feeling the smell. You'll be feeling it. So that's why I don't normally use garlic. So after that, this is my bell pepper, because I'm also going to be using bell peppers in this jollof rice to give it that reddish color, right? Yeah. So yeah, I'm going to blend this one. Okay, I'm going to blend this bell pepper. I add just little tomatoes because I'm also going to be using tomatoes paste. So that's why I just add few tomatoes into this jollof rice, as you guys can see. So I'm going to blend it and blend it before I fry it, you guys. Yeah, you guys, let me just appreciate you guys for everything that you are doing, for subscribing to my YouTube channel. For those who have not subscribed, kilo did now. Why have you not subscribed to my channel? You guys, que pasa? Also know. You guys have not subscribed. Why now? Anyways, thank you all for always watching my videos. Please, if you have not subscribed, do a sister a favor, subscribe to my YouTube channel, you guys. I love you guys so much. I don't take your love for granted. So you guys, I just check on the turkey wings and I was boiling that bell pepper that I just blend. I boil it with this my old pot. Because the tea was not much, so I blend it with this my old pot. So yeah, after that I add some rice into the pot. I'm using basmati rice. So that long grey rice. I love long grey rice for jollof rice. I prefer the long grey rice than to short grey rice, right? Yeah, so this is olive oil that I'm using right here, you guys. I just add some olive oil into the pot. So I was frying the turkey wings on the other side, as you guys can see. If you want to cook your food very fast, it's a good idea for you to use more than one stove. That stove that have 3 4. So yeah, it's a good idea for you to be cooking on other thing in one side, making the other one on the other side. It will make your food cook very fast. Yeah, for those who love to use air fryer, you can also use air fryer to fry your chicken, your turkey wings. But here I just fried it in oil. So you guys, yeah, as you guys can see, I'm frying my tomatoes paste. So after frying it to how I want it to be, to the taste that I want it to be, I add in my blended bell pepper. So you guys know that after I blend the bell pepper, I boil it a little bit to reduce the liquid in it, right? Yeah, that's what I just did. Now I'm frying everything together. I'm going to fry this and fry it and fry it, and I will test it to make sure that it don't have that tangy taste anymore. So yeah, before I will bring in every other thing. So I just add the turkey wing stock into the tomatoes that I'm frying. Okay, so yeah, after that, you guys, I also add coconut milk. I just want this jollof rice to have that yummy flavor, that yummy coconut milk flavor in it. And yeah, and it did a great job and I love it. I add that coconut milk into it. for the taste and for the aroma. You guys, this can tell you how delicious and how yummy this jollof rice was. Yeah, so yeah, that's what I'm doing here. Guys, please, for those of you who watched my video and just passed, you know, go just pass. You know, sorry, you will not go leave comment, you will not leave comment, you will not like, you will not comment. What did I do wrong now? Am I not doing a great job? Is it that you guys don't love my job? It's not easy to make a video, it's not easy to film food when you are cooking. Even the voiceover is not easy. So you guys, please now, appreciate my job. Like my video, comment. You can also share. You know, those will also encourage me to be making more videos. Right? You guys, please always do me a favor. Like my video, comment. Leave any comment, not bad comment anyway. No bad comment, but just leave comment. And say nice, you can say nice, you can say delicious, you can say sweet, you can say yummy, all those stuff. You guys, you can also comment what you think. Please, let it be a nice comment anyway. By liking and commenting will also make YouTube know that I'm doing a great job, right? When you just watch and pass without liking, without commenting, YouTube will be thinking that maybe if my viewer don't like my video, no need of them to recommend it to any other person again. So you guys please do me a favor, okay? Always just press that like button. It did not cost anything. It doesn't cost anything. It's just for you to click the like button. Even if you are using television to watch, you can also press your remote. There is place where they put like thumbs up. You will just thumbs up the video and go, right? That is also a way of you helping me, right? So you guys, thank you all. God bless you for always being here. I love you guys so much. I don't take your love for granted, okay? So you guys, as you guys can see, I just add the rice into the tomato sauce, and and I add the turkey stock and little water into it. You guys, after you parboil your rice, you does not need a lot of water to cook your jollof rice again, because when you parboil your rice, it makes the rice soft. So when you want to cook it, it's a good idea for you to add just little quantity of water so that your rice will not be too cooked. I don't know how to explain that part to you, but I know you understand what I'm trying to say. So I cover it up with this aluminum foil just to make the heat, because I don't want to add a lot of water. This is a good idea for your jollof rice to cook with heat. When you cover it up like this, all the heat in it will not go out. Okay, I know you guys understand what I'm trying to explain to you guys. So yeah, you guys. So after covering it up for some minutes, I will open it and see how it is going. As you guys can see, camera did not do a lot of justice to the color of this jollof rice. This jollof rice was so red. It was so red, you guys. Yeah. Yes, so I will stir it like this. As you guys can see, I did not add more water to it. I'm just going to cook it from here with the heat on it. That is why you see me. That is why I cover it up with that aluminum foil, so that the heat in it will not go out. The rice will cook with the heat. Okay. Help you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Please like my video. God bless you. I'm also going to add butter to it. I will be adding butter to this jollof rice. You guys know what butter did to your jollof rice, right? Butter will make your rice look flaky. It will make your jollof rice look flaky. It will not stick together that much when you use butter for your jollof rice, you guys. So thank you guys for watching. God bless you for always being here to watch my videos. So I don't take that for granted. You are blessed. I am blessed. Every one of us is blessed. In Jesus' name. Amen. Yeah, okay, so yeah. This is it. guys, I'm going to add some butter to this delicious jollof rice. As you guys can see, jollof rice will make your rice flaky. It will not make it stick. And it will also give your jollof rice this delicious aroma. So that's why I normally add butter to my jollof rice. As you guys can see, you can use butter, you can use margarine. Margarine is also good. Whichever one that you have at home is good for your rice. So yeah, but most people prefer butter to margarine. Okay, but me, there is no one I don't use. If I have margarine, I will use margarine. If I have butter, I will use butter. So anyone that I have can serve. As you guys can see, yeah. So after adding this butter, I'm going to cover it up for it to melt. Mm, I'll cover that up to melt before I will stir it again together. Okay. Hope you guys. Yeah, you guys, it has melt. So I'm going to stir this now together to just make everything to combine. As you guys can see, the jollof rice is looking so yummy. It's looking so delicious. So yeah, it is, you guys. Thank you all for watching. We don't use my chop up the turkey finish. Now this one curry me. My baby just say, Mama, give me one. Mama, give me one. Say I made the curry me for the turkey. Anyway, we'll boil it join later. It was so good and delicious. This is how I store it into my fridge. Thank you all. Bye.